Oily skin can feel like a never-ending battle shine builds up within hours. Pores seem more visible, and breakouts pop up when you least expect them. The right toner can be your skin's best friend, helping to balance oil production, tighten pores, and refresh your face without over-drying. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 best toners for oily skin, each carefully chosen for its ability to keep your skin fresh and clear all day. Let's start with number 1 and see which one could be your perfect match. Kicking off our list at number 1 Avene Cleanance, the Avene Cleanance Mattifying Toner is specially designed for oily and blemish-prone skin, providing a dual-action formula that both purifies and mattifies. Enriched with Avene's signature thermal spring water, it soothes skin while reducing excess sebum, making it an ideal choice for daily use. The gentle yet effective formulation ensures that pores are refined and skin feels refreshed, without a tight or uncomfortable afterfeel. It's a dermatologist-recommended product, particularly suited for those struggling with midday shine and clogged pores. Key features: the toner features a biphasic Formula 1 part purifying water phase and another part mattifying powder phase, which needs to be shaken before use. It contains monolaurin to regulate sebum production and zinc gluconate to calm irritation. The thermal spring water offers anti-irritating and softening properties, making it safe even for sensitive, oily skin. Its lightweight, non-sticky texture makes application comfortable, and the formula is free from parabens, ensuring it is skin-friendly. Benefits and usage: this toner instantly removes residual impurities after cleansing, helping to unclog pores and control oil for hours. Its mattifying effect ensures a shine-free finish, while the soothing ingredients help reduce redness and irritation caused by acne. To use: shake the bottle to mix the 2 phases. Apply with a cotton pad after cleansing, and follow with your moisturizer. It can be used both morning and evening for optimal results. Usability: the product's flip cap design makes it convenient to dispense the right amount without waste. Its quick-absorbing formula leaves no greasy residue, so you can apply makeup immediately after, since it doesn't have a strong scent. It's suitable for those sensitive to fragrances. The gentle formulation makes it a good option for year-round use, even during colder months when skin can be more reactive. Durability: a 200 milliliters bottle lasts a good 1.5 to 2 months with daily twice-a-day usage. The effectiveness doesn't fade with regular use, and you'll notice sustained oil control with consistent application. The sturdy packaging is travel-friendly, and the product remains stable without separation as long as it's stored in a cool second spot. We have Biotique Cucumber. Biotique Cucumber Pore Tightening Toner is a refreshing herbal solution that targets oily and combination skin types. Infused with cucumber extract, this toner cools and revitalizes skin while minimizing enlarged pores. Inspired by Ayurveda, it blends natural botanicals to purify the skin gently, without stripping away essential moisture. The lightweight liquid absorbs quickly, leaving skin feeling refreshed and balanced, making it a great everyday choice for those who prefer plant-based skincare solutions. Key features: the toner's key ingredient is cucumber, known for its natural cooling, hydrating, and astringent properties. It also includes berberry, coriander, nut galls, and peppermint oil, which help tone the skin and improve texture. This alcohol-free formula is gentle enough for daily use, yet effective in removing excess oil and dirt. The product is 100% botanical, cruelty-free, and free from artificial preservatives, aligning well with eco-conscious skincare routines. Benefits and usage: this toner tightens pores, reduces excess oil, and helps maintain the skin's pH balance. Its refreshing feel instantly revitalizes tired skin while reducing shine. After cleansing, soak a cotton pad with the toner and sweep it over your face and neck, avoiding the eye area. It can also be stored in the fridge for an extra cooling effect during hot weather. Usability: the transparent, Lightweight liquid absorbs in seconds without leaving any sticky residue. The mild herbal scent fades quickly, making it pleasant for daily use. It works well under makeup or sunscreen and doesn't cause foundation to slip off during the day. The simple flip-top bottle is easy to handle and allows precise pouring to avoid wastage. Durability, available in a 120 milliliters bottle. It typically lasts for around 6 weeks with daily use. The formula remains potent over time thanks to its natural preservative system. Because it's made of pure botanical extracts, it's best to keep it away from direct sunlight to preserve its freshness and effectiveness. 5 coming in at number 3 is the Dr. Oracle A-Thera. Dr. Oracle A-Thera toner is a K-beauty favorite. Formulated for oily and acne-prone skin, developed by dermatologists. It uses bamboo water and salicylic acid to balance oil production, gently exfoliate, and maintain a clear complexion. This toner focuses on soothing irritated skin while addressing the root causes of excess oil, making it a suitable option for people who experience both shine and breakouts. Key features. Key ingredients include bamboo water for hydration and antioxidants, salicylic acid for exfoliating clogged pores, and tea tree extract for antibacterial benefits. The lightweight, watery formula penetrates quickly without leaving residue. It's free from parabens, artificial coloring, and mineral oil, ensuring a skin-friendly profile. The formulation is designed to support skin recovery while preventing future blemishes. Benefits and usage. This toner not only controls oil, but also helps in gentle exfoliation, reducing the formation of blackheads and whiteheads. It soothes inflammation and supports the skin's natural barrier. To use. Dispense a few drops into your hands or onto a cotton pad and apply evenly across the face. It works well as both a daily toner and a prep step before applying targeted acne treatments. Usability. It's fast absorbing. Non-sticky texture makes it an excellent base for layering skincare products. The scent is mild and herbal, disappearing shortly after application. The screw cap bottle is secure, and the controlled dispensing helps avoid excess use. It's versatile enough to be used both morning and night without irritation. Durability. The 120 milliliters bottle lasts for about 1.5 months with daily application. Its active ingredients remain stable throughout use, maintaining consistent results. The sturdy packaging is also suitable for travel, and the formula's lightweight nature ensures no spillage or leakage issues. Taking our 4th spot is Himalaya Refreshing. The Himalaya Refreshing and Clarifying Toner offers a budget-friendly yet effective solution for oily and combination skin. Blending natural extracts like lemon and Biotique root, it removes excess oil and tightens pores while maintaining skin hydration. This toner is free from alcohol, ensuring that skin doesn't feel stripped after use. Its gentle formulation makes it suitable for everyday application, especially for those looking for an affordable daily toner that delivers results. Key features. The lemon extract provides astringent and purifying benefits, while Biotique root helps even out skin tone and soothe irritation. This alcohol-free formula is dermatologically tested, ensuring minimal irritation. Its refreshing liquid texture absorbs quickly, and the mild citrus scent enhances the fresh-feeling post-application. The inclusion of natural antioxidants helps protect skin from environmental stress. Benefits and usage. This toner effectively removes residual impurities, leaving skin clean and fresh. It minimizes pore appearance, reduces oiliness, and helps maintain the skin's natural moisture balance. After cleansing, apply the toner with a cotton pad over the face and neck, avoiding the eye area. It can be used twice daily as part of a regular skincare routine. Usability. The compact, sturdy bottle is easy to hold and store. The light formula absorbs instantly without feeling sticky, and the subtle citrus aroma fades within minutes. It layers well under other skincare products or makeup, making it ideal for busy mornings. Durability. The 100 milliliters bottle can last for 5 to 6 weeks with twice daily use. The formula remains fresh over time, provided it's stored away from direct sunlight. Its affordability also makes repurchasing easy, ensuring long-term consistency in your skincare routine. And finally, at number 5, we have Dermalogica Multi-Active. Dermalogica Multi-Active Toner is a professional-grade facial toner designed to hydrate, refresh, and prep the skin for optimal absorption of serums and moisturizers. While suitable for all skin types, it's lightweight. Oil-balancing formula works particularly well for oily skin, delivering hydration without heaviness. The fine mist application adds convenience, making it a quick skin pick-me-up throughout. The Day.Key features, infused with aloe vera, lavender, balm mint, and arnica, it soothes, cools, and revitalizes skin. Sodium PCA aids in moisture retention, preventing overproduction of oil due to dehydration. The alcohol-free formula ensures gentle application without irritation. Its spray format offers even distribution without the need for cotton pads. Benefits and usage. This toner provides an instant hydration boost while refining pores and controlling shine. It also preps the skin for better absorption of subsequent skincare products. Hold the bottle about 6 inches from the face, spritz evenly, and allow it to absorb naturally. It can be used after cleansing, before moisturizing, or anytime during the day for a refreshing touch. Usability. The spray mechanism is smooth and delivers a fine mist, preventing product wastage. Its portable bottle makes it easy to carry for on-the-go use. The light herbal scent is calming and fades quickly, making it suitable for regular application without fragrance fatigue. Durability. The 250 milliliters bottle lasts around 2 months with twice daily usage, even longer if used primarily as a midday refresher. The packaging is sturdy, and the misting mechanism remains functional throughout the product's lifespan. It's a reliable investment for consistent skincare results, and it doesn't have to be a constant struggle choosing. The right toner can make a huge difference in keeping your complexion clear, fresh, and balanced. Whether you prefer herbal-based solutions, dermatologist-developed formulas, or professional-grade skincare, these 5 options offer something for everyone. Consistency is key, so once you find your ideal toner, stick to it and let your skin reap the benefits. Thanks for watching, and here's to a shine-free, confident you starting with the right toner.